everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can actually change your username of your eBay. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and we will simply just dive into our video now. So to do so, if you have your eBay app in your mobile phone, that won't help you. You will have to go to your phone browser over here, and then you will simply search this ebay.com. Right, make sure you're logged in over here. What you will do is simply tap on this three dot icon given on top right. Simply tap on it, tap on this desktop side option, open this interface like this over here. What you will do is then simply just zoom in. I just zoomed in over here. Then you will see this your hi with your username over there in your top left corner of your interface. Simply tap on that option. Then you can see this option called account settings, right? Simply tap on that option over there, and now this interface will open up over here. And what you will do is you will simply just zoom in again. Let me just zoom in. Then you can see this option called personal information, right? Simply tap on that option. Here you can see all of your personal information, including your username mentioned over here. Here you can see your personal info, including your username over here, and then you can see your edit option right beside your username over there. So what you will do is simply tap on that edit option there. Little zoom out. Here you can see your username is over there. What you can do is simply just go and edit as you would like to, and simply tap on this save option over there and tap on this continue with Google. Add in your email. If it's not from connected with your Google, then it will ask you guys to add in your password over there. So yeah guys, this is how you can simply change your username for your eBay. And yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching my video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.